In this video, I'll show you how to tag contacts in GoHighLevel so you can stay organized and manage your leads more effectively. If you want to follow along or try GoHighLevel yourself, there's a link in the description below for a free 14-day trial. Tags are simple labels you attach to a contact record that make it easy to segment, filter, and trigger automations. For example, you could tag someone as webinar registrant, VIP client, or cold lead depending on their activity. To get started, log into your GoHighLevel account and head over to the Contacts tab. Choose a contact from your list and open their profile. On the right-hand side, you'll see the Tags section. Click the plus icon, type the name of your new tag, and hit Save. That tag is now applied to the contact and will also appear in your global tag library for reuse. Tags aren't just manual. They can also be applied automatically. Go to the Automations tab and open a workflow. Add a new action and select Add Tag. From here, you can pick an existing tag or create a new one. This is useful if you want leads tagged the moment they submit a form, book an appointment, or complete a purchase. Once tags are in place, you can filter your entire contact list by tag, build targeted campaigns, or trigger follow-up sequences just for specific groups. This keeps your marketing sharp and your CRM clean without relying on complicated lists. If you're thinking about trying GoHighLevel, remember to check out the link in the description. It gives you a free 14-day trial so you can test everything we talked about and see if it fits your business.